Hello everyone, we are students of Myeongju University in Republic of Korea. Now let me introduce the purpose of the study. We designed ESS coolant in cryogenic process. The process method suggested as a solution to this is the cryogenic etching process. Cryogenic etching process can improve the semiconductor yield by reducing bottlenecks caused by passivation. This is the basic model designed before starting the project. Based on the previous process, our team set up several factors and performed the simulation using DOS. Factor A is number of turns, factor B is diameter, and factor C is the flow rate. The result on the right is the response surface method analysis for three factors. A valid factor was selected based on the p-value, and the reliability of the experiment was judged that the experimental result is reliable. The selected factor was shown in the table on the right. Control plots can be used to examine the relationship between the response variable and the two predictors. Looking at the results, it was found that the diameter did not significantly affect the result value, indicating that control diagram is driven by the flow rate. Based on the control plot, the design was carried out with 5 turns, 10 mm diameter, and 0.3 kg per flow rate. Since then, we have simplified the design Model 2 too. Model 1 has 2 inner paths and 3 outer paths, and Model 2 has 3 inner paths and 2 in outer paths. After measuring the temperature at 65 points of each model, the analysis was conducted by comparing the average and variance of the temperature. If you look at the table on the right, the maximum and minimum temperature of each model, the average and variance of the temperature are shown. After the temperature measurement, a two-sample t-test and analysis of variance were performed for the two models, and then the average temperature can be said to be higher in Model 1. As a result of analyzed two methods in the analysis of variance, the null hypothesis cannot be said to be correct because the p-value is 0.136 and 0.175 respectively. In the end, it can be said that the variance of Model 1 is larger, and if the variance is large, the temperature distribution is not constant, so Model 2 can be said to be a better model. Looking at the box below on the left, it can be said that the temperature of Model 1 is distributed higher than that of Model 2 and the variability is large. Also, if you look at the variance of plot on the right, it can be judged that Model 2 is suitable because the variance of Model 2 exists in the smaller section and the distribution of the variance is small. Finally, this is the ESS coolant model we designed.